At Mortgage by Speedy, we know that buying or refinancing a home is one of the most important financial steps you'll ever take. That's why we're committed to helping clients across Arizona and nationwide secure the most affordable and flexible mortgage solutions available. Our team of experienced consultants takes a personalized approach, learning your goals, your budget, and your long-term plans. No two borrowers are alike, and we take the time to understand your full financial picture so we can match you with the loan that truly fits your needs. With access to a wide network of lenders, we help you explore every mortgage option available. First-time buyer programs, refinances, FHA, VA, USDA, bank statement loans, DSCR investor loans, construction loans, and more. Our mission is simple: provide transparent, honest, and unbiased guidance so you can make confident, well-informed decisions. We break down interest rates, repayment terms, loan structures, and any potential fees, so you always know exactly what to expect. And above all, we focus on affordability and stability. That means competitive rates, flexible terms, and loan solutions designed to keep your payments comfortable for the long run. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading, building, refinancing, or investing, we're here to help you move forward confidently. Take the next step today. Get pre-qualified in minutes, and let Mortgage by Speedy guide you home.